Lost in the emerald expanse, a world of tranquility unfolds. From above, the forest breathes as one. A testament to the interconnectedness of all living things. The gentle sway of the trees. The dappled sunlight filtering through the leaves creates a sense of profound peace and serenity. This is a reminder of the beauty and harmony that exists in nature. Thank you for watching.